So now students will move on to the 8th question. So in this video we will see from 8th question till 14th one. Okay, so find the quotient and remainder when x power 4 minus 11x cube plus 44x square minus 76s plus 48 is divided by x square minus 7x plus 12. So we will use synthetic division here. So here x square minus 7x plus 12. This is in the form of x square minus px minus q, right? So here this is our p, this is our q. Okay, so p will be equal to 7 and q will be equal to minus 12. Okay, so now by using synthetic division, okay, by synthetic division, here we have, first we'll write the coefficients 1 minus 11, 44 minus 76 and 48. Okay, and here it will be 0 by default and this will be 7, then this will be minus 12, this will be 0 and also this will be 0 by default. Now we will find the division. So now we have to do the sum of these three numbers, so that will be 1. Okay, so now what will be our this value? It is 7 into 1, that is 7. Okay, now we have to do again the summation of this minus 11 plus 7, it will be equal to minus 4, right? So in the same way we have to follow for others. So 7 into minus 4 is minus 28. So we get minus 28 here. Now what will be this value? This value will be minus 12 into 1. Okay, so that will be minus 12 here. Okay, and then we have to do again the summation of these three numbers, which is equal to 4. Okay, now 7 into 4 is 28 and then minus 12 into minus 4 is 48 and summation of these all is 0. Okay, 0 and minus 12 into 4 will be minus 48. So here also we got it as 0. Okay, so these two we got it as 0. So now the required quotient, this one, right? X square minus 4x plus 4. And what is the remainder? And the remainder is 0. Okay, did you understood how we got this? The required quotient, we got it from here. Okay, and the remainder is 0. Okay, so now we'll find the solution for the 9th problem. Find the transformed equation whose roots are the negatives of the roots of x power 4 plus 5x cube plus 11x plus 3 is equal to 0. So the equation given is, okay, the given equation is f of x, which is equal to x power 4 plus 5x cube plus 11x plus 3 is equal to 0. So what we have to find is required equation is f of minus x is equal to 0. Okay, so that implies minus x whole power 4 plus 5 into minus x whole cube plus 11 into minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Okay, so we got this because since minus alpha comma minus beta minus alpha 2 and minus alpha 3 and so on up to minus alpha n are the roots of f of minus x. Okay, do remember this. So this implies x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 11x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the transformed equation. Okay. So now we'll move on to the 10th problem, that is find the equation whose roots are reciprocals of the roots of the given equation. Okay, so now we'll find the solution for this. The equation which is given is f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 7x square plus 5x is equal to 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we need to find the reciprocal, right? So the required equation is f of 1 by x is equal to 0. Okay, so since we know that 1 by alpha 1 plus 1 by alpha 2 and so on up to 1 by alpha n are the roots of f of 1 by x is equal to 0. Okay, so now this implies that 1 by x power 4 minus 3 into 1 by x cube plus 7 into 1 by x square plus 5 into 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 0. So now we will multiply, okay, multiply by x power 4. Okay, so if we multiply by x power 4, what do we get? 1 minus 3x plus 7x square plus 5x cube minus 2x power 4 is equal to 0. So this can be written as 2x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation, required equation. Okay. So now we'll move on to the 11th question. Here two bits are given. So first we'll go with the first bit. Here, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation given, find the equation whose roots are 3 times the roots of the given equation. Okay. Given equation is f of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So what is the required equation? Required equation is f of x by 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Here since 3 alpha 1, 3 alpha 2, so on up to 3 alpha n are the roots of f of x by 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So now x by 3 whole cube plus 2x by 3 whole square minus 4x by 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. X cube by 27 plus 2x square by 9 minus 4x by 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies x cube plus 6x square minus 36x minus 81 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the required equation. Now we'll move on to second bit. So here the given equation is f of x is equal to x power 5 minus 2 x power 4 plus 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Such a big equation, right? So now what's the required equation? Required equation is f of x by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So that implies x by 2 whole power 5 minus 2 into x by 2 whole power 4 plus 3 into x by 2 whole cube minus 2 into x by 2 whole square plus 4 into x by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, which implies that x power 5 by 32 minus 2x power 4 plus 16 plus 3x cube by 8 minus 2x square by 4 plus 4x by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, which implies that x power 5 minus 4x power 4 plus 12x cube minus 16x square plus 64x plus 96 is equal to 0. So this is our second equation. Okay, now we'll move on to the 12th question. Find the polynomial equation whose roots are the squares of the roots of the given equation. Okay, so here the given equation is f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. So required equation is f of root x is equal to 0. Okay, so that means root x whole cube plus 3 root x whole square minus 7 root x plus 6 is equal to 0, which implies that x root x plus 3x minus 7 root x plus 6 is equal to 0, which implies that root x of x minus 7 is equal to minus of 3x plus 6. Okay, by squaring on both sides. Okay, we'll square on both the sides. X into x square minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 9x square plus 36x plus 36. Okay, so that implies that x cube minus 23x square plus 13x minus 36 is equal to 0. So this is a required equation. So now we'll move with the 13th question, that is if 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the roots of the given equation, then find values of a, b, c and d. Okay, so here it's given that the roots of the polynomial equation are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, here it's given that the roots of the equation are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now the equation is x power 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to, we will write this as x minus 1 into x minus 2 x minus 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so that is x power 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to x power 4 minus 10x cube plus 35x square minus 50x plus 24, which is equal to 0. Okay, now on equating the coefficients of like terms of x, we obtain a is equal to minus 10, b is equal to 35, c is equal to minus 50 and d is equal to 24. Okay, so by comparing these two, like I have got this equation in the form of this. So just by comparing the coefficients of like terms, I got the answer. Like here it is ax cube and here it is minus 10x cube. So a will be equal to minus 10. Similarly, you have to find b, c and d. Okay. So this is the required solution. Now we'll move on to the 14th question. Here we have to form the equation whose roots are m times the roots of the given equation, and that gives the case when m is equal to 12. Okay, so first we'll find the equation whose roots are m times. Okay, so the equation whose roots are m times, okay, m times the roots of the given equation, that is f of x is equal to 0 is f of x by m is equal to 0. Okay, this is our required equation. So our required equation will be x cube plus m by 4 x square minus m square by 16 x plus m cube by 72, okay, is equal to 0. That is x cube plus m by 2 square x square minus m square by 2 power 4 x plus m cube by 2 cube 3 square, which is equal to 0. So we will consider this as 1. So this is a polynomial equation of degree 3 whose roots are m times. So this is a polynomial equation of degree 3 whose roots are m times those of the given equation. So on taking m is equal to 12, our equation 1 will reduce to x cube plus 12 by 2 square x square minus 12 square by 2 power 4 x plus 12 cube by 2 cube 3 square is equal to 0. That is x cube plus 3x square minus 9x plus 24 is equal to 0. So this is a required equation when m is equal to 12. Okay. So that's it for today. I'll come again with another topic in my next video. Bye.